Today I am reviewing the GEEKOM A8 Max AI Mini. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact powerhouse that can handle everything from gaming and AI workloads to intense multitasking and seamless networking, the GEEKOM A8 Max AI Mini PC is an exceptional choice to consider. This mini PC packs serious performance in a small form factor, making it perfect for users who want desktop-level power without the bulk of a traditional tower. At the heart of the GEEKOM A8 Max is the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor. This chip boasts 8 cores and 16 threads, delivering blazing speeds with a maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.1 GHz. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running multiple demanding applications, this processor has the muscle to keep up with your workflow without breaking a sweat. What's truly impressive is the Integrated Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, capable of handling up to 16 trillion operations per second. This means AI applications run smoothly and efficiently, enabling you to experiment with machine learning, voice assistants, and other smart technologies with ease. Networking is another area where the GEEKOM A8 Max stands out. Equipped with dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, this mini PC allows for flexible and robust network setups. Whether you're using it as a firewall, a soft router, or a file server, the dual LAN ports can be combined through bandwidth aggregation to provide faster data transfers and superior network reliability. This feature is a huge plus for gamers who require low-latency connections or for professionals who need steady, high-speed network access. Multitasking and storage performance also shine on this machine. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 megatransfers per second, the GEEKOM A8 Max effortlessly handles multiple programs running at once. If you need even more memory, it supports expansion up to 64GB. For storage, it comes with a 1TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD that provides ultra-fast read and write speeds. This translates to quick boot times, rapid file transfers, and seamless loading of large games or complex software. The SSD is fully compatible with Gen 3 drives too, so you have flexibility in future upgrades. Connectivity options are plentiful and versatile. The mini PC features 5 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 2 USB Type-C ports, including dual USB 4.0, and 2 HDMI outputs capable of supporting up to 8K video output. There's also an SD card slot for quick file access from cameras or other devices. This array of ports makes connecting multiple peripherals, high-resolution displays, and external drives a breeze, perfect for creators, gamers, or office professionals who rely on a variety of tools. Not only is the GEEKOM A8 Max powerful and well-equipped, but it's also built to last. The chassis is crafted from durable aluminum, providing both strength and a sleek, modern aesthetic that fits well in any environment, be it a home office, gaming setup, or creative studio. Tech reviewers consistently praise this mini PC for its reliability and outstanding performance-to-price ratio. Plus, GEEKOM offers a reassuring 3-year limited warranty that covers design and workmanship defects, along with dedicated after-sales support. This kind of warranty gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected, and expert help is just a call or message away should you need it. In summary, the GEEKOM A8 Max AI Mini PC is an excellent compact desktop solution. Its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor, combined with AI-enhanced computing, high-speed dual LAN connectivity, generous RAM and storage, and extensive ports make it a versatile choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. If you're seeking a high-performance machine in a small footprint, the GEEKOM A8 Max offers tremendous value without compromising on power or expandability. Whether you want to game at high settings, work with demanding software, or set up a smart home server, this mini PC has the tools to get the job done efficiently and reliably.